Now we are going to go for loops. We are going to see how to use a for loop to execute a MATLAB code repeatedly. Please see this video. So we have seen a simple video on for loop. Just see. Yes. Name the answer for this. Which of the following commands will work as a first line for loop? How will you define the for loop? Is this correct? Which is the correct way of saying a for loop? Or which will give no error if you run this code in a for loop? B. B, I think it is the usual code which you use in C programming. So that will not be helpful, I think, here. I think C. Why I am not giving A is not correct because there is no variable. You have to give a variable here, right? So just if I give 1 to 12, it will not work. So here I have a variable K running from 10 to 0 and it is decremented. So this is going to be correct. So C is going to be my correct answer.